sitting unlocking this. I was using a I'll show you now, one of these to put this in here, but it was falling out all the time. You can see here on the sides is I've done it so much I've like made it loose by here. The lock ain't loose, it's just the sides of it where it goes in is just a bit deeper. So I'm just going to try it without it. So here is the lock, and it shows you where the things are and stuff like that. I'm going to try a rake pick. So I'm going to put it all the way in. Juggle it about. I need to... Okay. Okay. You see, that simple. Done it just over a minute this time. So I'm getting good at this. I've only been doing this a few days, and yeah, I'm getting really good. I didn't even need one of these. All I needed was this. So it's pretty cool. Once you get to know the lock, I think I'm starting to get to know this lock, that it gets easier. I'm going to keep on trying this lock until I master it, because if I master it, the harder locks will be easier for me to do. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.